Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have ester, which is cyclic lactone. Here you have one side quinone, other side benzene. One is attached with chiral carbon, another is on ortho position. Here is in the acidic condition. You should find what will be the final product. Here we are in the acidic condition. Acid can attack the carbonyl. You have H plus there. So you have cation in the system. Cation try to quench. So bonds are migrating. During that time ring strain is higher. So ring strain trying to lower itself. So 5 member becomes 6 member. Strain dilute. So strain assisted reaction. So if you redraw nicely, you have 6 member ring. Ring strain is relieved. Then the cation you have the possibility of quenching, which is by hydrogen. So hydrogen eliminates. You have aromaticity. So two driving forces are here. One is strain, another is aromaticity. The concept you have to learn here is whenever there is an intermediate formation, definitely the chances of ring strain relieving. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.